Microsoft's $68.7 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, the largest gaming company in the world, has been approved by the U.S. regulators. This is a landmark deal that will reshape the gaming industry and have significant implications for other tech giants and media companies. The deal will give Microsoft access to some of the most popular gaming franchises, such as Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, Overwatch, and Candy Crush. It will also boost Microsoft's cloud gaming service, Xbox Game Pass, which has over 25 million subscribers. Microsoft will be able to offer more exclusive titles and content to its users, as well as leverage Activision's expertise in developing and monetizing games. The deal will also create a formidable competitor for other gaming platforms, such as Sony's PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and Amazon's Luna. These companies will face increased pressure to invest in their own content and services, or seek partnerships or acquisitions with other gaming platforms, such as Sony's PlayStation, Nintendo's Switch, and Amazon's Luna. These companies will face increased pressure to invest in their own content and services, or seek partnerships or acquisitions with other gaming studios. The deal could also trigger a wave of consolidation in the gaming industry, as smaller players may look for strategic alliances or exit opportunities. The deal will also have broader implications for the tech and media sectors, as it shows Microsoft's ambition to expand its presence and influence in the entertainment industry. Microsoft will be able to compete more effectively with other tech giants, such as Apple, Google, and Facebook, who are also investing heavily in content and services. The deal could also challenge the traditional media companies, such as Disney, Netflix, and Warner Media, who are vying for consumers' attention and spending in the streaming market. The Microsoft Activision deal is a game changer for the gaming industry and beyond. It will create new opportunities and challenges for both gamers and creators, as well as for other tech and media companies. It will also set a new precedent for deal-making in the digital age.